Hi guys, today I want to explain why Facebook is a great platform to generate real estate leads. First, Facebook has biggest reach across all social media platforms in North America, which means regardless of a campaign type, either we market for commercial real estate or for regular home buyers, we will be able to reach this audience on Facebook. And then don't forget, back in 2012, Facebook acquired Instagram, which means when we talk about Facebook advertising, it not necessarily means Facebook as a platform, because we can advertise across these two platforms, so which means our ads can be visible in Instagram feed and in Facebook feed. Second, Facebook is a relatively cheap platform to acquire real estate leads. Across North America, price would vary between $5 to $15 per lead. The price would greatly depend on, of course, type of market you target, your targeting audience, and quality of your ads. Third, Facebook lead gen campaigns have a really good feature, is ability to fill the form without leaving Facebook as a platform. So instead of clicking on the links and be redirected on the website, you can fill your information within the Facebook environment, which provides people with a great user experience. That's why we see conversion rate on Facebook and submission rate is way higher than alternatives on Google. Fourth, people can engage with your ads. For example, they can leave comments or they can put like on your images. And don't forget, right away you can engage with them because you have their profiles. So if they have any feedback on your advertising campaigns, maybe they have any concerns, you can address them right away. And last but certainly not the least, Facebook has greatest targeting capabilities across all marketing platforms out there. For example, you can target people by location, you can target them by demographics, you can target them by interest, affinity interest, and in market interests, which makes it really unique platform. Especially when we mean targeting on Facebook, we mean actual people, active profiles, versus, for example, on Google, when you target people, you target browsers. If you have any questions regarding Facebook advertising for real estate, leave them in the comments below. Thank you, bye.